This is your boy Big Head, and in this video, I want to talk to you guys about something called financial statement from the book called Cash Flow Quadrant from Robert Kiyosaki. So in this book, he basically tells you the step-by-step on how the cash flow quadrant goes. And so once you understand how the cash flow quadrant really works, it can really help you become a millionaire and a multi-millionaire and beyond. But the thing about it, the goal is, once you understand the concept of it, it's very, very, very important. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is that I'm going to go ahead and draw it on my whiteboard so I can give you guys the introduction about financial statement. So I'll be right there with you in a moment. And guess what? I'm going to put you on some game. I'll be back in a moment, all right? Hey guys, I'm back on this video. But like I said, is that I'm back, and what I say was that I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys more about financial statement. It's very, very, very important to understand. But first of all, while you start watching this video, I want to welcome you to Big Head Class 101. Welcome yourself, because I thank you so much for coming in. You could have been anywhere, but you watching this. I thank you. But so the things about it that what I'm gonna go ahead and talk about financial statement. And the things about it that, as you can see, I list on my board. First, we're going to talk about financial statement. We're going to talk about the two types of financial statement. And we're going to talk about the meaning of financial statement. As the video go on, we're going to end the video on a good note. Let's first start with financial statement. Let's talk about financial education, type of education. There are different type of education out here. But one thing about it is that, as you can see, is that if you want to make money, you want to invest, and you want to understand how business works, you gotta have financial education. You gotta have financial education. It is way different from traditional education. When you go through high school and go to college, get your BA, and get your master's and your PhD. But the thing about it is that I'm gonna go ahead and look at my notes, so I won't guide you guys in the wrong direction. Robert Kiyosaki said about financial education, and also what he said. So you see that right here, I have my notes right here. So like I say, I won't misguide you guys. But let me go ahead and read what he said. And so what Robert Kiyosaki was saying, and also you can also go on his website withthat.com. He also talks about financial education, and also on the book called Cash Flow Quadrant from Robert Kiyosaki. He wrote that book many years ago. Many years ago. But if you want more information, those are the two best choices to go. His website, withthat.com, and also his book Cash Flow Quadrant. But let me go ahead and what he say on his website and the book. And he say that in the world of financial education, there are fundamental principles that are impossible to omit when we are talking about money and investing. What he is saying is that there are fundamental principles, value, moral, laws that you gotta follow by. Because the things about it that when it comes to making money, investing, there are principles you gotta follow by. Because the thing about it is that if you miss those fundamental principles, it's very, 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 very important. And now, so guys, sorry about my background noise. Hey, when it comes to the word entrepreneur, that don't really exist. Because you make up your own time. But you still gotta operate like you are employee in your business. But Robert Kiyosaki, he wants to go ahead and talk about these conversations always begin with personal financial statement. And also the things about it that Robert Kiyosaki draw a picture how financial statement look like, but that coming in the upcoming video. But right here, I'm introducing you guys to financial statement. All right, but so I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the on upcoming two part of financial statement. All right.